Skatepark and PC, Orage crew in the building, and we just matching trannies, trying to make shit flowing here. We don't got no bungee, so we're using our poles, doing the best.
Salting it up right now, making it burn.
A tablespoon of salt. Yeah, we got that. You know, we like to use ionized salt here at Orage. You know, a good California sea salt actually does pretty good as well. You know, brings out the flavor in the feature.
See what it looks like. Boom.